sharing your kitchen makeover again, guys.
Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel! Please...
3, 2.
Hi guys! Welcome to our new channel!
New channel? Oh, good.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel! I am Ivy Gamalit and welcome to LOG!
Hello guys, right now let me share to you all our prefabricated modular cabinets for TV rack, kitchen, and it is now ready for installation. Ayan, ini-install na namin yung framing, marine framing ng overhead and lower cabinet and TV rack. That is James for the electrical. Diyan mag-install kami ng light. James will install all the outlet para sa kitchen accent light and doon din sa TV area ng mga ilaw. Hello guys, now i-introduce ko po sa inyo ang newly finished kitchen namin dito sa La Vista Monte. Enjoy watching! This is the island table, the preparation area, and you can put some chair po dyan, and then you can have your moments here. We are using the grab handle, soft closing, all marine, and stainless 304 sa mga hinges, and then may mga interior shelving. It's just so soft. And then dito yung overhead cabinet, and you put some accent light dyan sa taas para mas maganda. And this is overhead cabinets. And in this area po, dito namin nilagay yung plate and glass organizer, pull down. Lahat ito glossy, made of marine. Machine laminated marine flooring. Lahat po is functional. Even dito, andito yung tube. The backsplash is quartzed, crystal white. Pasensya na kayo sa mga pukpukan sa labas, guys. It's quite irritating, but that is part of the construction. Thanks for understanding. And of course, the accent warm white sa ilalim ng cabinet. Yun ang isang focal point ng kitchen namin. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching our videos. And now, eto naman yung mga pictures na ipapakita namin sa inyo. Enjoy watching! Please don't forget to like and subscribe and send the notification button para ma-update kayo sa mga latest videos namin na i-share and for more ideas. God bless!